In today's video, I'm going to teach you. In this tutorial, you'll build a powerful lead generation system using n8n, Apify, and Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clean, automated workflow that scrapes businesses from Google Maps, visits their websites, extracts email addresses, and saves only qualified leads into Airtable. We'll start by adding a form trigger in n8n. This simple form collects 3 inputs, a keyword like dentist, a location such as New York, and the number of leads you want. This trigger is what kicks off the entire automation, and using a form makes it easy to reuse the workflow for any niche or city. Set sensible defaults if you like, and keep field names consistent so you can reference them later. Next, connect to Apify with a Run Actor node and choose a Google Maps scraper actor. Feed it the keyword, location, and lead limit directly from the form. Then, use the Apify Get Dataset Items node to bring all the scraped business records back into n8n, ready for processing. To keep things tidy, add a set node called Grab Desired Fields. Map only what you need: company name, category, address, website, phone number, rating, and other categories. This reduces payload size, speeds up the workflow, and makes later mapping to Airtable straightforward. Control volume with a limit node. Set a maximum, like 30, or dynamically use the number from the form. This prevents pulling more data than you plan to process. Process businesses one at a time using split-in batches. This approach is safer for websites and more reliable for downstream nodes. Clean up website URLs next. Use a set node to pass the website value, then a code node to add HTTPS if it's missing and remove query strings or fragments. Clean URLs prevent avoidable request failures. To reduce the chance of being blocked, add a set node for headers that randomizes the user agent, accept language, and referrer. Rotating headers makes your HTTP requests look more natural. Now scrape the website with an HTTP request node using the cleaned URL and your custom headers. Pipe the response into a Markdown node to convert raw HTML into readable text, which is easier to parse. Extract email addresses with a code node using Regex. Collect all matches, remove fakes like file references, deduplicate, and return the first valid email. If none are found, output NA. Filter leads to keep only those with real emails using a filter node where email is not NA. Save to Airtable with an upsert node. Map business name, website, email, phone, rating, category, and location, and use email as the matching field to avoid duplicates. Finally, add random wait and merge nodes to introduce small, smart delays, helping you avoid rate limits. Submit the form, and the system runs end-to-end: scrape, visit, extract, filter, and save, giving you a dependable lead generation machine inside n8n.